Let's imagine that you take advantage of the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday special deal. So picture your life now, whether it's your daily commute and working for the boss, your financial pressures, whatever it is. So there must be a better way, right? What if I could tell you that you could invest just 82 cents per day into your own online business that can earn you consistent monthly passive income? You take small but consistent actions every day during a year to build your own online business. Then jump forward 1 to 2 years later. Imagine you can tell your boss to his or her face that you quit and also provide a much better lifestyle for a family and travel if you want to. Hey everyone, it's John here from earnfromyourlaptop.com with a quick video. I wanted to share with my subscribers and anyone else on YouTube that's finding this video. There is a Black Friday major blowout sale that's going on with the online training and mentoring community that I'm a part of, that I've had a lot of success with, that I've helped people build a successful online business with. The platform is called Wealthy Affiliate. I'll put a link in this video description of my recent online review so that you can see exactly why it's so great and why I recommend it over all others. The type of success you can realistically achieve with it. Also why it's so affordable and your best one-stop shop for anyone looking to build your own online business. Such an excellent training platform. I recommend it over all others, and the best part of it, the reason I rate it so highly, is where other platforms seem to be interested in emptying your wallet, charging hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars for their training and upsells. Wealthy Affiliate is different. Why would you pay so much money when you can get it all at Wealthy Affiliate so affordably, where you can actually create your own free starter account first to see if it suits you personally? Hey, and if you don't know where to start, there are loads of people in the Wealthy Affiliate community that started from scratch, perhaps just like you, and now have a full-time income. Here are just a few that inspired me to build my own online business and get out of the rat race. Firstly, let me show you Steve. He was traveling around the world with his girlfriend and showing pictures here how he did do it. How? By building a website that generates over $100,000 per year, and this was very inspiring to me. Secondly, here's Dylan. He's a successful stay-at-home dad. Dylan has made multiple websites in niches he is passionate about, and sometimes even sold them for $30,000 to $40,000. Your success all depends on the action you take in applying the training. When I was just starting out with Wealthy Affiliate, I had to pay $49 per month for it. But right now, Wealthy Affiliate is having a Black Friday promotion from 29th of November to 2nd of December 2019. You are able to access all the training, resources, tools, and support from Wealthy Affiliate at just $299 per year. And you know what? When you divide that by way of 12 months, that's less than $25 per month. And also, when you divide that by 365 days, it's just 82 cents per day. Seriously, I challenge you to find another platform which offers so much value for less than $1 per day. However, this amazing Black Friday offer is only available for these 4 days from 29th of November to 2nd of December 2019. So depending on when you're watching this video, either before, after, or during, I'll explain all of these. If you're looking at this before 29th of November, please go to earnfromyourlaptop.com/joinWA to sign up for a free account at Wealthy Affiliate. By doing that, you'll not only be the first to get notified when the offer is live, but you can also take Wealthy Affiliate for a free test drive to see its awesomeness yourself. But when you're watching this after the sale has ended, don't worry. You can still create a free account at Wealthy Affiliate at earnfromyourlaptop.com/join-WA. The only difference is that you will not be able to join the promotion when you go premium. So by that time, you need to pay $49 per month, just like what I did, or even better, $359 per year. That is great value, literally like a tenth of what other platforms charge. Finally, if you're watching this during the sale period, so between 29th of November to 2nd of December 2019, when the offer is live, I sincerely recommend you to grab this opportunity before it ends. With inflation rising, this could very well be the last year you could ever get this $299 rate. But the great thing is, if you take up the Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday to Cyber Monday special deal, you are grandfathered in for as long as you want that yearly membership. It'll always be at that very low price. Also, there are some amazing, awesome bonuses. So when you get the never seen before bonuses, including 4 live classes, a white paper, building an incredible internet business in 2020, and much, much more. Now I end off this video with a question of mindset to you. You are literally at a fork in the road. So now you have 2 options. The first is to continue on your current path in life. You may be stuck in a job, but know that there must be a better way so that you could continue to be a freebie seeker searching for the next shiny object or get rich quick system and trying to figure things out on your own. Or the second option for you is to take this Black Friday opportunity by investing just 82 cents per day so that you don't have to waste so much time and experience so many failures and struggles trying to figure things out on your own. Most importantly, if you join now, I will be your mentor in Wealthy Affiliate to guide you step by step in this business and assist you each time you need. I actually offer my referrals that go yearly membership, even more bonuses on top of that. I add even more value to the Wealthy Affiliate platform. I give one-on-one coaching, Skype, mentoring calls when we can brainstorm on how to maximize your success. So the choice is yours. If this Black Friday offer sounds good to you, please go to earnfromyourlaptop.com/Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday. I additionally put a link in the description area below to be able to click on it and get yourself started. I hope to see you on the inside and help your success. And again, even if you're watching this video a little bit late, let's say you come to this party late and you see this in December and you're like, man, I missed out. Please go take a look at the review and create your free starter account and see if this suits your style, because you can still become a premium member and get the best value for your money with that normally priced at $359 per year yearly membership and still enjoy all the benefits that save you so much more. This can be literally tens of thousands of dollars compared to similar platforms. That's all for today. So no matter what's your decision, I wish you all the best and I hope to work with you soon. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Take care.